Howdy, welcome. Today we're gonna swap this JL aux battery. So we watched another video which we'll link in the description, but we got three 10mm bolts. There's one there, and then one on the back side of it. A little hard to see.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Yeah, right up in there. So we'll take those off, get the swapped.
So most people end up going through the top, like through the battery box. I'm changing out my liners. It's really easy access if you have your liners off. If you need to do this, I would recommend doing that personally, but that's why we're doing it the way we are.
Now that we got the battery out, we got to take the posts off and put it on the new battery.
5:30 seconds.
So 5:30 seconds, and the new battery is a Aux14. You drop your new battery into the slot. Helps to have two hands to get that battery back in there with the terminals. And that's it. That's back in. And nothing's on fire yet.
Took us probably an hour, and we haven't done this before, so not too bad.
Most of it was setting up for it.
Yeah. All right, here we go.